Setting up a bird feeder in your backyard is one of the most relaxing hobbies. Watching colorful, musical birds visit your garden every morning brings a unique sense of peace. But as any experienced bird lover will tell you, not every visitor is a welcome guest. While some birds bring joy, others bring chaos, aggression, and unwanted trouble to your peaceful sanctuary. Today, we are counting down 5 common backyard birds you might actually want to keep away from your feeders. Now, just a quick disclaimer. These birds aren't inherently evil. They play their own role in nature. However, when it comes to sharing space with other backyard birds, they can turn into real troublemakers. Let's jump right in. Starting our list at number 5 is a bird known for its sheer attitude, the common grackle. At first glance, these birds look quite striking, with their glossy, iridescent feathers and piercing yellow eyes. But don't let their looks fool you. Grackles are significantly larger than your average goldfinches or chickadees, and they know it. They tend to arrive in large, noisy groups, completely taking over the feeding stations. Because of their size and aggressive behavior, they easily intimidate smaller birds, driving them away and eating all the premium seeds in a matter of minutes. If you suddenly see your peaceful garden turning into a loud, chaotic zone, you probably have a grackle invasion. At number 4, we have a notorious invasive species, the European starling. Originally brought over from Europe, these birds have adapted incredibly well, perhaps a bit too well. Starlings are social birds, which means where there is one, dozens more are right behind. When a flock of starlings descends upon your yard, they act like an unstoppable cleaning crew, devouring soot and seeds at an alarming rate. But their greed at the feeder isn't the only issue. Starlings are cavity nesters. This means they will actively steal birdhouses and nesting spots meant for native species like bluebirds, often ruining the breeding season for your local favorites. Number 3 brings us to a different kind of problem. When you create a space filled with small birds, you are unintentionally creating a hunting ground for predators. Enter the Cooper's hawk. These sleek, fast, and highly skilled raptors specialize in hunting medium and small-sized birds. It can be incredibly heartbreaking for a birdwatcher to see a beautiful mourning dove or robin taken down right in front of their window. While hawks are a vital part of a healthy ecosystem and keeping nature in balance, their presence near your feeders will instantly terrify your regular visitors, causing your backyard to go completely silent for days. Our number 2 spot belongs to a bird that relies on deception, the brown-headed cowbird. From a distance, they look harmless, often traveling with other blackbirds. However, their breeding habits make them one of the least favorite guests for nature lovers. Cowbirds are brood parasites. Instead of building their own nests and raising their chicks, females secretly lay their eggs in the nests of other, often smaller, bird species. The host parents are tricked into raising the cowbird chick, which usually grows faster and bigger, starving out the native hatchlings. Having too many cowbirds around means the local songbird population in your neighborhood could take a serious hit. And finally, coming in at number 1 is a bird that almost every urban and suburban resident knows all too well, the house sparrow. Introduced from Europe decades ago, these small birds have conquered almost every corner of the continent. They might look small and cute, but they are incredibly fierce, highly territorial, and relentless. Once a flock of house sparrows claims your feeder, they will fiercely guard it against native birds. Even worse, they are known to violently attack native cavity nesters like bluebirds and tree swallows to take over their nesting boxes. Their aggressive nature and massive numbers make them the #1 bird most enthusiasts try to discourage. Managing a bird feeder is all about balance, and sometimes that means taking steps to discourage these 5 species so your local songbirds can thrive. Do you agree with our list? Which bird causes the most trouble in your backyard? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more wildlife and birding tips. Thanks for watching, and happy bird watching.